This is a critical moment in time for Aeroseal. More importantly, it's an opportunity to recognize and rally behind the net zero movement. Our community of employees, customers, investors, and supporters share a belief system centered around the need for decarbonization of high-contributing sectors. For the Aeroseal community, our decarbonization focus is on the building sector, and the global commitment is to reach net zero emissions by 2050. Buildings present a massive opportunity to help reach this objective, making up approximately 40% of the carbon emissions currently. The air we breathe every day, all day long, is the lifeblood of buildings. But buildings leak, especially air ducts and walls. Let's stop the leaking. We believe that actions now, large and small, locally and globally, will make a big impact on our future. It is our responsibility to bring awareness to the problem of air leakage in buildings and solve it with the unique Aeroseal technology. The outcome is a better built environment, one that produces significantly less carbon, and sealing air leaks in walls in every building, old and new. The challenge is not just how we build new buildings, but what we do with all the buildings we have now. These are innovations that are dealing with the toughest part of building emissions, taking existing buildings, saving you money, and reducing the climate burden. Aeroseal's innovative duct and building envelope sealing products can reduce energy consumption of a building by 30% on average. Buildings are responsible for 17% of all greenhouse gas emissions, GHG emission, which Aeroseal's leak mitigation solutions help address. The great thing about the Aeroseal sealing technologies is we're not asking people to make a trade-off. The goal is to offer easy-to-integrate solutions that create value for building professionals and their customers, while simultaneously benefiting the environment. And with Aeroseal's products, everyone wins. Homeowners and building occupants are breathing cleaner air, enjoying better indoor air quality, and feeling more comfortable. Building owners are seeing energy savings generated by properly performing building envelopes and HVAC systems. HVAC and construction pros are becoming the evangelists of change and the unsung heroes in our global climate rehabilitation story. We are grateful to have 13 of the top U.S. home builders bringing Aeroseal to their new construction developments, bolstered by thousands of dealers improving the comfort and air quality for homeowners and neighborhoods everywhere. And several top university and hospital systems have integrated air sealing into their energy programs. The momentum is strong, as 260,000 homes have been sealed worldwide, which is a reduction of over 500,000 tons of CO2 emissions to date. But we can't do it alone. This is a call to action to join the net zero movement.